I have another home remodel update for you today. I think the last video that I left y'all with was an update for day 12 and day 13. So today I'm going to update you on what has happened on workday 14 through 18. Let me turn the camera around and show y'all. Okay, so a lot of paint has been happening. It takes a lot to paint and install trim and all the things. So as you might be able to see, the windows have been framed out, trimmed out. I hope y'all can see. The lighting is not the best. Let me turn my brightness up. I tried to get in here before it got too late and dark, but they haven't been gone for very long. But anyway, like I said, the walls have been painted. Let me try to get y'all a little bit closer. The trim or this up here has been painted and installed all the way around. The whole kitchen, living room, hall, that's all been done. The fireplace has been painted, which it was already painted this color. I just had them put a fresh coat over it. He has a lot of, like this trim he just put up here. It is being held up by liquid nails just because of the fireplace. And then the sheetrock, he didn't really have anywhere for like a nail to catch. So he just put some liquid nails. I used to not even have trim there on my fireplace, but I definitely wanted him to trim it out, and it will have trim going around here and down here as well. And it'll do the same thing over here on this side. So he's just got some liquid nails up there, and he's got a piece of tape up there kind of holding it up. But it is looking so nice with the walls painted. Like this window has been trimmed out and framed out as well. Looks so beautiful. And then, like I said, all of the walls here have been painted. Back here have been painted. You can see all the beautiful trim at the top. It looks so good. He got this all trimmed out and painted right here. And kind of got this fixed up here at the top where this came around and stopped. Like I said, he had a couple he had to do this because like the way this sheetrock came out a ½ inch, it was just like a big transition, like this thick here. And so in order to kind of hide that, he did this trim and all, which I think he did a great job. We have had, he has had a time with this cabinet door right here, okay? So this little bitty trim that you see on these doors. So we were trying to take the trim off of one old door and put it on, whoops, let me get y'all back over here. Get back down here, where y'all going? And put it on the door that we had cut, or that he cut to fit right here. It was this whole thing, y'all. He had it cut and we were just gonna use it like that. But then like the trim was like off-centered on the door, and it was driving me crazy. I told him I wasn't gonna be able to live with that. We had to figure something else out. And between him and my dad, he ended up taking this door to my dad, who has just about any and every tool you need. And he was able to very gently take and pull one side of this trim off. And I'm just using this door as an example. But we had two old doors. And so he was able to take the trim off of the door that we were not going to use. And then my contractor, Philip, took and just cut one side and moved everything over so that the trim was in the middle of this door and not offset, if that makes sense. So that's outside actually it's drying right now. So it will get hung and that will look really, really good. He still has a lot of caulking and things to do around the trim on the top. And he has been painting the ceilings. He probably has 3 coats on the ceiling in the living room and 2 coats in the kitchen. I know it's really hard for y'all to see on camera, but it was, maybe y'all will be able to tell if I show you in the kitchen a little better. Let me try to move it around. Let me see. I don't know. It's probably not going to show up very well for y'all, but it's kind of streaky, like, because it is new sheetrock. It is just soaking up the paint. So like I said, he's got 3 coats in here in the living room, and I think he has 2 coats in here in the kitchen. And he has already went through a 5-gallon bucket of paint. So I think he was saying that he was going to go get another 5-gallon bucket of paint, and it might take actually 2 or 3 more coats to get it up there and to get it right. But all of the doors are now also, there's Cinder. She's glad everybody's gone. All of the doors have been framed out. The hall has been painted. The doors and the casings have not been painted. You might be able to tell that's like a bright white. This has been painted, but not this, and the doors have not been painted yet. But it is looking so good. They also painted the attic door just so that it was not brown and didn't just stand out like a sore thumb. So my husband actually loves the attic now. It is so nice to pull that down and be able to use it really well without it creaking and making us feel like we're, you know, gonna fall off of it. But yep, that's where we're at. That is the gist of what's been going on around here. Like I said, a lot of painting, a lot of trim, framing out these windows, working on this cabinet door, just working on a lot of like nitpicky areas, like this spot here. He really had to work on this for several days, just on and off. Like he would fill this in and kind of sand it, and then he would have to fill it in some more. I really didn't want bulky trim over here, so he's really just trying to make this look nice with caulk and all. And then down here, he got some trim on the bottom of this. We wanted a piece of trim down here because we do use our bar with bar stools and all, and I can just see kids down there kicking and messing with the sheetrock, you know. So he did put a piece of trim down there, made that look nice. He's not putting trim on this corner because this is already reinforced with some kind of metal corner piece underneath when they did the mudding and all. And then he put a trim piece down there and made that all come around the corner really nice. And then he did put a corner piece here because there was like a big, you know, this is just where the sheetrock ended, and it just looked, it was just unfinished. So this piece of trim is here. And before he put this piece of trim up, he sanded all of this down for me so that when I got ready to you know, repaint this end here with the green, that I wouldn't have to worry about trying to sand it with this in the way. So all I got to do is, you know, wipe this down good and do my green paint here for the cabinets. But I will not be doing that until they are completely gone and not coming back at all, just because it is an oil-based paint and it takes like a couple of days to really set and dry good. And I do not want them having to worry about working around that. Okay, so this is work day 19 through 21. My contractor is taking the doors off so that they can begin to paint those. And we are in the home stretch, y'all. So the last few days really were just finishing up a lot of caulking and painting. So I didn't do a lot of filming on those days because they all kind of just looked the same. They had to put multiple coats of paint on the walls and the trim and the ceilings, and that is pretty much what they worked on the last few days. I'm about to share something really fun with y'all, so listen really close. I want to introduce y'all to
Mike. G'day. My wife and I, Chrissy, have been in America for about 2 years. We moved over to support my parents who are American, and we just want to live close to them as they retire. They're up in years. So what we did is we decided to create a little YouTube channel to record, because there are so many firsts in America. You'd think 2 English-speaking countries would have similar things, but my goodness, I tell you, there's so many different things. So Chrissy, my wife, has a YouTube channel. It's called 9 Little Aussies. and she's just recording our homesteading journey from scratch. A lot of people aren't sure if they want to do a homestead, not sure if they can afford it, so we've just, I guess, videoed our little journey and how it's done and how it's come about.
Yeah. And where are you guys from again?
So, Queensland, Australia.
Yeah.
Which, funny enough, it's 2.5 times bigger than Texas, but more people live in Houston than my entire state. So, it's not that many. We've got less than 3 million in the state. And then, continentally speaking, Australia and America are relatively the same size, but more people live in New Jersey than all of Australia.
That's so interesting. Yeah, that's so fun. And I have people that watch my channel too, like from all over. And so hopefully there'll be some people there. And I just wanted to give him a shout out. He's over here helping today paint doors. He knows my contractor. And I just thought that that was so fun and interesting. Like I said, he's painting our doors, and he introduced himself, and Philip had told him, Philip is my contractor, told him about me having a channel. And so he has a channel, his wife has a channel. And so I definitely wanted to give him a shout out, and I love that they are local to me, and they do a lot of homesteading type stuff, which I love. So me and your wife may become friends really soon.
Well, she's also got a little micro bakery at home.
Oh, really? Fun. Okay. Well, see, this is so interesting. I love it. So thank you for being here, and thank you for coming on my video and introducing yourself. I just wanted to share that.
Thank you.
And by the way, I'm getting doors painted today, y'all. I am so excited. We are in the end stages here, and it's coming along nicely.
I hope that was okay.
It's perfect.
I never know what to say.
You're perfect. Listen, there ain't nothing perfect about my channel. We just go with the flow. Anyway, y'all, how cool and how fun was that? Like, I just had to share him with y'all. My contractor said they are super good people, beautiful family, and so go check out their channel if you want to. And please believe me when I say there is a lot of behind the scenes work going on. Like, when he's at Lowe's getting things for our home, he's working. Like, when he is going to my dad's to, you know, try to work on that cabinet door, he is working. And then he does have a family and a life outside of this as well. So he is definitely making progress every day that he is here. And I cannot wait to get in here because it is looking like a brand new home, y'all. It looks so good. Sorry, let me get away from that window. I didn't realize I was getting right over there by that window, and it's so bright. But anyway, y'all, we hope y'all have a wonderful evening, and I'm hoping and praying that the next update that I give y'all, we are completely finished, or I should say my contractor is completely finished, and we are getting ready to move back in. But anyway, we hope y'all have a wonderful evening. We love y'all, and I'll see you really soon with a brand new video.